Hey guys, and welcome to day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. Today we're going to be making some wood slice ornaments, so let's get crafting. So I found these 4 wood slice rounds at the Goodwill bins, but you can find these almost anywhere. I know I've seen them on Amazon, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, pretty much everywhere. So I'm going to give each one of my little round wood slices 2 coats of paint. I'm going in first on this first one with Folkart chalk paint in Cottage White. Now for the second one, we're going to go in with Dixie Belle's chalk paint in the Briar patch. This is one of my favorite greens. It's not too bright and it's not too dark, just right. On our third ornament, we've got the Dixie Belle chalk paint in Rustic Red. And the last ornament, we're going to go with Dixie Belle's chalk paint in the color Caviar. Now, once the paint was dry, I noticed the surface of them were kind of rough. So I'm going in and sanding. This is something I probably should have done before I even painted them. But I'm going to go in and sand each one of them smooth with my little finger sander here. And then I'm going to give them one more coat of paint just to um, cover up where I sanded them. Once I have the ornament smooth and all the paint is dry, I'm going in with my DIY's Big Top, and I'm just going to seal in that chalk paint because I'm going to be adding a vinyl decal to each one of these ornaments. Now I'm going to go in and add these decals. I created each one of these, well, they were in Cricut Design Space, so I just cut them out from that. The green one has just got this little Merry Christmas with Santa Claus flying over. And these were a little tricky to get to stick on the surface. I'm not sure why, but I did make it work. Now for the little black one, I have a little nativity scene. And like I said, all these were in Cricut Design Space. So if you have a Cricut and you have the design space, you can go in and I think I searched circle ornament formats or circle ornament templates. That's it. And it came up with a whole bunch of them. So I thought that was really neat. For the white one, we got a cute little snowman with a Christmas tree and the snowflakes in the background. for our red one, we have a Be Merry decal with some little designs and squiggly lines and polka dots all around it. I did attach a black velvet ribbon to the back with hot glue, and here's how they turned out. I love them. They look perfect on my Christmas tree. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. And let me know which one's your favorite. I hope you guys are enjoying these 12 days of Christmas crafts. I thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. It will really help my channel grow. And come back tomorrow for our next craft. I'll see you next time. Bye.